Find features that distinguish it from other brands for ICOLER Prism4 EX X3 120mm ARGB case fan, and why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. 3-sided infinite mirror ARGB light effect. Jungle Leopard Prism4 EX 120mm ARGB PC fan. The side infinity mirrors on the left and right sides of the fan are based on infinite geometry. Multiple layers 0.5 mm apart are visible in the circular infinity mirror at the center of the fan. Multiple versions are available. 120mm ARGB black forward fan / 120mm ARGB black reverse fan / 120mm ARGB white forward fan / 120mm ARGB white reverse fan. 4 versions can be combined to freely manage the airflow inside the chassis. High wind and low noise fan blades. Jungle Leopard Prism4 EX 120mm ARGB case fan. Balanced 9-blade design, increase the output wind pressure. Improve the efficiency of heat dissipation, easily blow away the excess heat of the host, 1850 rpm, less or equal 29 dBA. Hydraulic bearing. Ensure high-speed operation, reduce wear, reduce noise, improve service life. The bottom of the fan has a magnetic suction, which attracts the steel column on the fan page and has a strong suction force. Double-sided shock pad. The silicone cushioning pad can effectively reduce the noise caused by resonance when installed on the chassis. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.